Dr. LeBou, and I've been coming to the Rolettes for a little over 25 years. Not that I've been sick, but they've kept me well for 25 years. The least little thing that happens, if I fall down, I come here. Dale said one time he was going to put me in a bubble. So I get in a wreck, I come here. And then the next day I'm fine. But one thing that I remember was that I used to have chronic kidney infections. I mean chronic. And I went to a urologist and I was on these barbiturates, that he would give me these heavy barbiturates. And it would last, and a couple weeks later I'd have the kidney infection again. So I came one time, my back just started hurting, and I thought, well, I'm going to go to the chiropractor because I must have hurt my back. So I came in, and Denise looked at me and she, felt my back and all. She said, let me check something. She said, you've got a really bad kidney infection. I went, oh Lord, I've got to go back to the doctor and get my barbiturates when I leave here. Well, she did an adjustment. By the time I got home, I felt so much better, I forgot about going to the doctor, and I have never had another kidney infection. So apparently something was kinked in there. She straightened it out, and the kidney infection never had, and I'm telling you, I lived with it. So that was wonderful. Another time I was walking through the grocery store and Dale was behind me. My knee was hurting. I couldn't wear heels anymore, and I'm a realtor, and so I'm on my feet a lot. I couldn't wear my heels and I was limping, and he said, what is wrong with you? And I said, I've got arthritis in my knee, I guess. He said, I don't know why people think they have to live in pain. Come to the office tomorrow. So I did. He did some adjustments and I'm back in my heels.
Several years ago when I lived in Washington, I hurt my back and I was sent to a specialist. He treated me with heat and medication for about 6 weeks before the pain finally left. It was a bad deal. A few years ago here in Hammond, I also hurt my back, and a friend of mine suggested that I would try Rolettes, which I had never done before. I came, and in one treatment, the pain disappeared. I was so delighted. Since then, I have come every month just for an adjustment. They kept me in wonderful shape through this time. I'm 95 and still going strong.